there is no steering gearbox is used in power steering method, this type. Motor is used for actuating the steering linkages and everything. Here that ECU, from that ECU, that motor needs some that motor drive needs some data, particularly vehicle speed and tire position and everything. That data are stored in the ECU, and it is used for driving the motor in a correct manner, right. These are the components used in electronic suspension system, electronic power steering system. First one is electric motor, sensor and control unit and steering gears. These are the main components used for steering, electric steering. Four types of electronic power steering, electrical power steering is there. Column assist, that is C type, P and R and D type. Normally pinion assist method is better advantages, having the better advantages, because that pinion moves with the motor movement, right. This is the comparison of hydraulic power steering and electronic power electrical power steering. These are the features. That power source, here we need to use electric motor, but in hydraulic pump, hydraulic system we need a hydraulic pump, and also we need motor for driving the hydraulic pump. Energy efficiency, when compared to hydraulic, electric is more efficiency. Steering comfortness, it will be more traditional, but anyhow electrical power steering having the accessibility by using the automation softwares, right. That weight is hydraulic power steering gearbox is very high when compared to electrical. Electrical is very lower weight only. That maintenance, regarding maintenance in electrical system, we need a lesser maintenance when compared to mechanical or other hydraulic braking system. Cost is it's a huge expensive is hydraulic power steering alone, and compatibility is suitable for all EVs. Anyhow, it is less suitable for all vehicles, hydraulics. Next we will see about cruise control. Cruise control is the automatic movement of car with a stimulating some speed with a controlled manner. We will see in the example. We will see here, right. This is a car. In front of the car, some sensors are there. That sensors monitoring the distance of in front of the car, whether any vehicle is there, like that. That sensing device is there. This is the primary input for cruise control. Cruise control having some decent set value for the driver. If we set the value of 80 km per hour, that car will start to go with 80 Pakka 80 km speed. That car will drive automatically in a continuous manner. Is there any obstacles came in front of the vehicle, then the cruise control is completely stopped with the reducing speed, and the brake is applied immediately with the automatic manner. Then we need to reset the cruise control option. Then only we are able to continue the cruise control mode, right. Here some tips for cruise control device. We are not able to use the cruise control in ordinary or single road or some heavy traffic mode. In that places that cruise control is not fit for that automatic drive, and if there is any wet roads, that cruise control is not suitable, and some challenging winding roads it's not possible to use the cruise control. Anyhow, there are so many benefits with the adoption of cruise control. It reduces the driver fatigue. Anyhow, that driver may be getting bored, and he will sleep in with the continuous mode of cruise control. The driver is not able to sit in a concentration mode. You need to keep the driver engaged, right? This is the negative with the cruise control. Anyhow, that cruise control will give the better fuel efficiency. For the activation, the typically activated by a simple button. It is located in the steering wheel itself. It's a simple mechanism to operate cruise control mode. It's very easier, and deactivation also it's very easy. If we release the cruise control button, then it will be automatically that cruise control is cancelled. Otherwise, if we apply the brake, that cruise control will stop the automatic mode. These are the advantages of cruise control system. For better we will use in highways, it's advisable, right. Next, vehicle security system. That security system contains alarms and vehicle tracking system. Regarding that alarms, in modern vehicle, so many types of alarm is there. These are the alarms which will sense the human errors, right. Some type of theft also detected with these kind of sensors, alarms. It is possible to stop the theft also. Anyhow, for a door sensor, if the door is not closed in a proper manner, then the door sensor will blink the sound or beep sound, some or lighting or beep sound is there. And tilting sensor, glass breaking sensor, these are the sensors are used to create a vehicle alarm system. And for sound, siren is used. Some kind of alarm system will coupled with remote control. The alarms are again classified into two types, passive alarms and active alarms. That active alarms requires manual activation. Whether if we use the passive, there is no need of active in a manual manner, right. Normally, all type of alarms are passive type only. Right. Vehicle tracking system. This tracking system is nowadays is very useful system for all kind of vehicle, not only for four-wheeler, even for two-wheeler also the vehicle tracking system is very useful. Nowadays, even that helmet also having the GPS tracking, right. This kind of vehicle tracking system having GPS model, the GSM adaptive control and control unit, power supply unit. From that we are able to locate our vehicle where it is traveled, when it is traveled. We are able to get the data for the past travel experience also, right. Comparison of alarm and tracking system. Purpose, we need to clear about the purpose. If we need to stop the theft, we need to go for alarm system. If we need to know about the real time monitoring of our vehicle, we need to go for a vehicle tracking system. For that main technology, here we need to use sensors and sirens or lighting for notification. For the vehicle tracking system, we need to use GPS and GSM model, and alerts may be kind of sounds is used for vehicle alarm system. Anyhow, for tracking system we need a mobile notification or message, or in kind of text, or in kind of message we need, right. That monitoring is entirely different with alarm system. Finally, we are able to adapt with that alarm system with the smart keys, with the remote control. For vehicle tracking system we need some geographical data with the help of some GSM models. It is possible, right. Thank you.